After completing my initial physical inspection of your property, I have concluded that your claim is valid. Acme Insurance will indemnify you $10,000. However, you will be paid $2,500 after we deduct for deductible and depreciation deductions. If you contact Acme Insurance within 180 days from the date of loss, we will release the deferred holdback deductible depreciation deduction to you. The check will be paid to you and your mortgage company. Good luck. Do you understand? Hey everybody, today we're going to talk a little bit about insurance jargon. There are a lot of big benefits to eliminating weird insurance jargon from your vocabulary. It can improve your customer service scores, it can reduce time-consuming and confused phone calls from insureds who have a lot of questions about what you're saying, and it can reduce your waistline. Just remember, only about 1 in 10 people have ever filed a claim against their homeowner's insurance, and just about none of them have heard this confusing, weird, archaic insurance lingo and jargon that we use every single day with our coworkers and managers. So here are 3 examples of insurance jargon that we could do without. Number 1, depreciation. You have to say depreciation because there's really no other single word that can replace it, but you have to say it in a way that makes sense to a regular person. So for example, you might say, depreciation is the current value of an item based on its current age and how long it's supposed to last. So for example, if you have a roof that is 10 years old and it's expected to last 20 years, 10 from 20 is half, so 50%. So the depreciation would be about 50%. Pretty simple. Number 2, acronyms. You don't want to overwhelm your insured with a bunch of acronyms, so it's okay to say replacement cost instead of RC or actual cash value instead of ACV, as long as you explain those terms using a simple example and taking the time to make sure that they understand it before you move on to the next thing. Be patient. Number 3, please stop saying be advised to anybody, to an insured, in the file, to a contractor, in a voicemail, in a text message, in an email. We're not 911 dispatchers. We're not the fire department. We're not the US military. Please just stop. Just use plain language, please. So the bottom line is that even though these concepts are foreign to most people, they can be made easily understandable using simple terms and simple examples. And most people will understand if you take the time to explain it to them simply. Okay, so head on over to adjustertv.com for this episode's freebie, which is a say this, don't say that jargon cheat sheet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great storm.